Okay. So do we just plan to roll with the 80% bonus? Yeah, no, exactly. So, you just get your tax return prepared, everything in there ready to go. And then I would wait to file until you hear word whether or not it becomes a law or not. The difference on a 325K property, I don't think it'll be too much, but it's definitely worth waiting. I mean, I guess depending on your tax bracket, it's could easily be an extra $1,000 or $2,000 savings. I think just
Yeah,
off
I
the top of
mean,
my head. Yeah,
yeah, super loose numbers. We're talking about the difference of $13,000. Don't hold me to it. It's super
and
loose numbers.
deductions,
Deductions,
13K
yeah,
in deductions. So then
yeah,
if you're in a 25% tax bracket, that's almost $3,000 extra
exactly,
just by sitting on your hands.
exactly.
Yeah, I'm waiting now. If you owe, even with that, you might owe. It might be worth. And again, I'm just like spitballing here. It might be worth sending money in if you are still going to owe. But yeah, I would not file your return until we hear, and we're not going to file any returns that have cost seg studies until we get more clarity on this. So,
Well, and one more
um,
point too, like Ryan said, you can have it all prepared, and then what's going to happen is our software providers are going to update our software,
that's
and then
right.
it's automatically going to change. So it's really not any stress or muss, to worry about. It's just get it all prepared, and then we'll wait till the best time to file.
Can I do a cost segregation study now for a 2023 tax return? Yeah. So you pretty much have until whenever you go to file the tax return, whether it's the deadline, the original deadline, or the extension deadline, to do the study. Now, if you're going to go with a company, I would recommend sooner than later, because right now, like, they all get bogged down with so many people, so many requests. So if you're going to do it, I would get it done sooner than later. And then it's not going to matter if it's 80 or 100%. They're still going to have the same report. It's just how it gets filed on your tax return.
Yeah, but Ryan mentioned my post on LinkedIn today about how, there's only so much you can do after December 31st. This is one of those things where if you need a cost segregation study, a competent real estate tax return preparer should be able to tell you if you need a cost segregation study or not, if you haven't done one already.
Mm-hmm. Here's a